Hello everyone, welcome to Hansa AI User Guides videos. In today's videos, we will see the simplest operations with Hansa ERP. First, we will start with production planning and scheduling. Then we will progress with the raw material procurement and production. After production, we will sell the materials as well. So let's get started with production planning and scheduling first. Now going to production. So for a month, we know how much material is needed by our customers. So according to that, we will plan for the month how much material we need to produce basically. Now we can see here we have already two items planned. Now if I want to add another item, I simply click on this add button and give the item code whichever I want to make produce. Now selecting the item and give the desired amount, how much you want to produce for that particular month, and clicking on tab. After clicking on tab, you can see it has calculated the machine months for forging, machining, carburizing, and hardening as well. So once we are done with this, and similarly, you can add other products as well. Once the planning is done, we will move on to scheduling. So with scheduling, what we can do, we will place production order for day-to-day basis, how much we want to produce basically. So if we click on the view button, we can see how much production order we have already placed for which item, how much quantity, and it will calculate the total machine available machine month is here, how much we have already used and how much is still there. So now I'm going to place a production order for this particular item. So I'm going to entry or edit this. So after clicking on entry and edit, you can see that I can add a production order against this. Now clicking on this, say I want to produce 100 quantity of this item. And if I generate this, it will generate me a production order. I'm clicking on this production order. See, it has it is showing what raw material we need and how much quantity is needed, where we can like where we will be producing this. And in forging stage, we will be outsourcing this forged goods to Ashok Enterprise, which is a subcontractor, and we will receive the machining goods. After that, we will continue production in our own house. So this is the production order. It has not released yet. It is only planned. So after checking the production order, we will release the production order. See, just by clicking here, we have released the production order. So we can start the production. But first, we need to check for production we if we have the raw material in our stock or not. So I'm opening the production order again, and this is the raw material that we will need for production. So simply, I'm going to check our procurement schedule. See, if we just give the production raw material name here, you can see how much quantity is required, how much we have in our stock, how much we need to buy. So here we can see we don't have raw material, so we need to buy or procure raw material.